Whoa, oh, hello guys! It's time to take update right on your mobile phone, and we have latest tech news created for you right on your mobile phone. Let's talk tech. Well, we have new updates for you. Talking about ChatGPT. Well, ChatGPT has got a voice model, so you can actually chat with the ChatGPT like a human being. So you can interrupt it between your communication, and you can actually integrate it to the various links, and it can actually browse the web for you. It could actually use the Omni version. The ChatGPT 4.0 is released. What is 4.0? O is stand for Omni. Well, Omni was designed to actually integrate with the more advanced version of ChatGPT. Well, you know ChatGPT for answering your questions particularly, but now ChatGPT could actually answer your questions with the interruption. It could solve your maths problems for you. Well, Gemini launched 1.5 Pro. 1.5 Pro was launched. It could handle 1 million tokens. So actually you could upload a video and you can actually get the summary. You could upload a PDF of 1 lakh pages and you can actually point out a single sheet. Well, I work on Excel. So on Excel you can actually pinpoint a single digit or single RFQ or something like that, so that it can integrate it into a system, where system could integrate it into the and find you a particular solution to your problem. Well, it's what artificial intelligence is all about. Imagine artificial intelligence being integrated with the humanoid robots. So how the improvement could be done in the hardware itself. So the software is improving itself and hardware could also be improved. So we are looking at a future that is integrated with the software and the hardware. Next update is regarding Meta. Well, Meta, as you know, Mark Zuckerberg is using Android phone. So you can see that Meta AI is launched for Android phones first, then it is launched for iOS. So Android is getting more updates. Android is getting a switching, so you can switch between the numbers on Android, but you cannot switch on the numbers on iOS. Why? Because Mark Zuckerberg is ruling the Meta, the Facebook, the WhatsApp. So he uses Android. So you have got updates for Android first, then it has got into an Android centric first. Well, RCS message is coming to iOS. It will be launched on June 10th. Let's see what Apple has in the box for AI on June 10th. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel for latest tech updates, the Sunday Tech Masala for you right on mobile phone. Thank you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. I am seeing that many people are liking the videos, but they are not subscribing it. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you.